Welcome children. As you all know, we have already completed E, ED, EG sound words. Firstly, we will revise it, then we will start with new words. Okay, so all of you see here. आप सब लोगों ने घर पे रिवीजन किया था इन वर्ड्स का? Yes, good. So all of you have to revise it regularly, okay? ताकि ये आपको लर्न हो जाए. Now firstly E. तो SHE she, WEV, ME me, HE he, BEE bee. तो she, we, me, he, bee. Okay. FED fed, BED bed, RED red, WED wed, LED led. Fed, bed, red, wed, led. Okay. Now see here. EGG egg, PEG peg, LEG leg, KEG cage, BEG bag. Egg, peg, leg, catch, bag. Okay. Now all of you revise it very properly. Now we will start with new words. First one is EN. ठीक है, तो start. HEN hen, TEN ten, YEN yen, MEN men, DEN den, HEN hen, TEN ten, YEN yen, MEN men, DEN den. Okay. Now ET sound words. SET set, JET jet, PET pet, GET get, NET net. Now repeat again. SET set, JET jet, PET pet, GET get, NET net. Now ELL. ठीक है. Now see here. CELL cell, FELL fell, BELL bell, WELL well, YELL yell. Now repeat again. CELL cell, FELL fell, BELL bell, WELL well, YELL yell. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, now repeat again. HEN hen, TEN ten, YEN yen, MEN men, DEN den, SET set, Jet, jet, pet, pet, get, get, net, net. Now cell, cell, fell, fell, bell, bell, well, yell. Okay. Now repeat again from here. Yell, well, bell, fell, sell, net, get, pet, jet, set, den, men, yen, ten, hen. Okay. Now all of you revise it very properly. Okay. Now see here. Read and rhyme. Get, the, net. Get the net. A, pet, net. A pet is in the net. The net, wet. The net is wet. Get the net. A pet is in the net. The net is wet. Okay, revise it. Now see here. Read and circle the vowel E. Now in this you have to circle letter E, vowel E. आपको क्या करना है इसमें, जहाँ पर भी E लिखा है तो you have to circle it. Okay, see here. Jet, jet, तो circle on E. Let, let, तो put circle on E. Get, तो put circle on E. Okay, understood now? So all of you have to do it at home. आप लोग अपने घर पर इन वर्ड्स को मम्मा से कॉपी पर लिखवाएंगे या आप खुद लिखेंगे. नाउ यू हैव एबल टू राइट इट. नाउ यू ऑल आर एबल टू राइट ना. अब आप सब लोग इस लायक हो कि आप लोग लिख सकते हो. तो यू हैव टू राइट इट योरसेल्फ. आप लोग अपने आप से लिखोगे इसको एंड देन पुट सर्किल ऑन वॉवल ई. और उसके बाद आप वॉवल ई पर सर्कल करोगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you again.